G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Due to popular demand, I'll be uploading some underwater footage from the 4K action camera from ALDI. Apparently it's on sale again tomorrow. I'm not sure which country, UK, Australia. Let me know in the comments below. One thing I will say is that I bought this camera, which is just charging at the moment, about a year ago. So maybe just double check that it's the same model. Perhaps they've upgraded it. Not too sure, could be the exact same model. But without further ado, here is some underwater footage. It's from a recent trip I took to Thailand. I'll leave all the audio in and here it is, enjoy. Alright guys, that was the underwater footage. I believe I shot it in 4K 30. What did you guys think? Is it up to the standard that you would expect from a $50 ALDI action camera? Let me know your thoughts below. Anyway, that will be the video for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.